Hello friends, today we will learn how to write an SQL query. So we will use three questions to learn how to write an SQL query. Here we have a table about products manufactured by a company. These are the different products manufactured by a company and we have the data regarding the products manufactured. So to learn to write a query, we will use the help of these three questions. So the first question is select the entire table. So write select star from. So when I have written ELE, now I have got this drop down. Now I will press tab to get the full name. So this is my query. I have written just select star from electronic products. The this electronic products is the name of my table. From electronic products table, select star. So what does this star stand for? This star stands for everything. Everything means all the columns in the table and all the rows in the table. So select everything from electronic products. Read it like this. From electronic products table, select everything. Now I will select this query and I will press the execute tab here. What I have here is the entire table produced in front of me. Now let's move on to the next question. What is the first manufacture date and the last manufacture date? If you are good with Excel, I guess you would have guessed how to write this. So write select from electronic products. So for first manufacture date, we will have to write the min function and close the bracket. So item minimum of item manufacture date, give it a good name like first manufacture date. Now put a comma so that we are moving on to the next column. Write max to get the last manufacture date. Now give this a proper name and last manufacture date. So we have our query over here. Make it systematic and readable. So from electronic products table, select the minimum of manufacture date and then select the maximum of manufacture date. Fine. So I will select this query and I will press execute. The first manufacture date is 1st January 2024 and the last manufacture date is 21st June 2029. Now let's answer the third question. Now what is it asking? It is asking us to find out the total cost price, the total sell price, the least cost price in the table and the highest selling price in the table. The question is straightforward and I guess if you are good with Excel, you would have guessed this also. So from electronic products table, select the sum. Select the sum of the item cost price. Select the sum of it as give it a good name. Total cost price, comma or the next one. Now make a sum of the selling price column. Write as total sell price. Now we will use minimum for the least cost price. Minimum of the least cost price. Give it a proper name. Least cost price, comma for the next column, max selling price as highest sell price. So let's focus here. What are we doing here? From electronic products table. So from electronic products table, which we have already seen. So from that table, select the sum of the entire cost price column. Give it a name as total cost price. Select the sum of entire selling price column. Give it the name as total sell price. Or do the minimum of this column and give it this name. And do the maximum of this column and give it this name. Now we will select this entire query and go over execute button and click on it. So the output has been produced, and as we can see, the total cost price is this much, the total selling price is this much, the least cost price was 101, and the highest selling price for a product was 1016. I hope you have found my video helpful. If you have any questions or any queries, please feel free to post them in the comment section. Uh, Thank you. Bye bye.